If your Photopea Layers panel is starting to look messy, grouping your layers is one of the easiest ways to stay organized and work faster. In this video, I'll show you how to group layers in Photopea using 3 simple methods, plus a few useful folder tips that will save you time while editing. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photopea and design tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about why grouping layers matters. When you group layers, you can move multiple elements together, hide them all at once, apply effects to the whole group, and keep your project much cleaner. This is especially helpful when you're working on complicated designs with text, shapes, images, and effects spread across a lot of separate layers. Now for the fastest method. Look over to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. To select more than one layer, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac, then click each layer you want to bundle together. As you click, those layers will highlight, which means they're selected. Once your layers are selected, press Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac. Instantly, Photopea will create a new folder and place your selected layers inside it. You'll usually see it named Folder 1 by default. This is the quickest way to group layers, and it's perfect when you already know exactly which layers you want together. If you prefer a more visual method, you can use the folder button instead. Again, select the layers you want by holding Control or Command and clicking each one. Then go to the bottom of the Layers panel and find the New Folder icon. It looks like a small folder. Click that button, and Photopea will automatically drop your selected layers into a new folder. This is a great option if you don't want to rely on keyboard shortcuts and would rather use the interface. There's also a third method, which is grouping through the right-click menu. Select the layers you want in the panel, then right-click on any of the highlighted layers. From the menu that appears, choose Group Layers. This does the same thing and can be handy if you like using context menus, or if you've forgotten the shortcut. Once your layers are grouped, you can do even more to keep things organized. If you want to rename the group, just double-click the text that says Folder 1 and type a better name, like Text Layers, Header Design, or Background Details. Renaming your groups makes it much easier to find the right section of your project later. You can also collapse or expand the folder whenever you want. Just click the small arrow next to the folder icon to tuck the layers away. This is one of the best ways to reduce clutter and save space in your Layers panel, especially on large projects with dozens of layers. And if you ever change your mind, ungrouping is just as easy. Click on the folder layer, right-click it, and choose Ungroup Layers. You can also use Ctrl+Shift+G on Windows or Command+Shift+G on Mac that will break the group apart and return your layers to normal. So whether you use the shortcut, the folder button, or the right-click menu, grouping layers in Photopea is simple once you know where to look. It helps you stay organized, work more efficiently, and keep your design process smooth from start to finish. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.